Custom form URLs are especially useful for branding your form link. You can also use this feature to customize your shortened URL, for example, fpls.in/custom name. To customize the shortened links to your form using preferred words, kindly follow these steps. Click on the Share page of your form. Select the Links tab at the left navigation bar. This will display a page with different sharing options. On this page, below the section titled Form Links, input your custom word in the box provided just below the custom short form link. Click on the Generate button to display the form link you have created. This will display your custom form link below the box where you input your custom name. Click on the Copy button beside the generated link. This automatically copies the custom form link, which you can share with your respondents. Please note that you can only customize a form URL with alphanumeric characters. No special characters are allowed. For example, fpls.in/formful.is is not allowed in the custom form option. Custom form links are also unique across the website, therefore, if the form link you have input has been taken, you should try a similar word or include a number in the custom word.